Hello everyone. Today I would show you how to see your phone screen at your laptop screen and also how to see your laptop screen at your phone. It is an amazing tutorial, so let's begin with the tutorial. First we have to download a app named Let's View. So first we will go on Google and then we will search Let's View for Windows. It will be coming first option. We will take it. We will open it. Now we will download it from here. I have also downloaded it. Then we have to do sign in after opening the app. So we will open the app. I have already done sign in. It will take a little bit time to open. Now it have been open. So but one thing that our phone should be connected from one Wi-Fi only. There are many things that we can do. So let's begin. Now on our phone we have to download a app named Let's View. I will show you. We will download our app Let's View. See guys, you can see my phone on the screen. So first I will go on the Google Play Store. Sorry guys, we have to go on the Google Play Store. Play Store. We will search Let's View. Guys, we can also, I have downloaded it. We can also do paintbrushing here, but we don't want to do. So we have downloaded, then we will open the app. So now I want to, so now we will open the app in our phone. So I will show you. Now when we will open the app, see, here is Let's View. We will open it. So it's here, like we can do also disconnect. I have done it by mistake. See guys, it will come the two options. Here I will show you. I think for on the top it will be phone screen mirroring. On the bottom it will be computer screen mirroring. Phone screen mirroring means what we will do on phone we can also see on the computer. Like we can also do full screen here. Now we can also exit the full screen. So guys, it's amazing. Now I will tell you how, but one thing that we have to sign in also. We have to sign in from the laptop, not from here. I will show you how to sign in. Now first we will go to here, account. Now guys, it's sign in. Like we have to sign in here. Okay guys. So guys, it's free of cost. Now I will tell you how to do laptop mirroring. Sorry, I have closed the app again. Now we will do laptop screen mirroring. What we will see on laptop, now we will see on my phone. So we will do the same thing. Guys, I will tell you. See, this would be the interface like this. When you will open the app, redirect means we have to connect with the same Wi-Fi. Redirect means it will be load again like this. Now my name is, so I will do click on the second option. It will come this option like this. I have to allow it. Now see, I can do screen mirroring. See guys, I can also open the apps. Let's I want to open. Guys, I am doing it from my phone. Really, you cannot believe I am doing it my phone. I can take the cursor to, like I want to open this one. So I can open it by clicking it. Guys, it will be open. Today I would like to show you my math game and its name is math. Like guys, it will be open like this only. Guys, it's very fun to do these things. And guys, I will tell you again how to do. First, when we will open the app, the interface would be like this. I will show. Then I will go to phone screen mirroring. Start now. The interface would be like this. One thing will be coming, redact and your ID. But we have to connect from the same Wi-Fi. Now, if we want from the laptop, so we can same we have to do. But now we have to do computer screen mirroring. Now we will here we have to do allow. Now guys, see, we can also draw. I will show you. This is my phone. If we want to erase it, so we can click on this button here. It will be erased. So guys, I want to also show you things that we can do. We can also open the apps. Guys, it can happen sometime. So we can also open the apps from. I showed you, but I will show you one more time. Like I want to open, which one? I want to open this one. No, this one I can open. Google Chrome. Not this one. I have to open Google. Then it can also select something. Now, first you have to take the cursor from our hand to Google Chrome. Then we have to click on it double time. See guys, it have been opened. We can also do here. Our mirroring. Guys, it's a very fun. Like sometimes it can be very important from classes also. You can do this mirroring and your class will be going and you can make anything that you want, and you can also do your cursor. Guys, see, I will show you how can I do my cursor here and there. See guys, I am doing my phone here and there. First you can do recap of the video. You can watch in my phone fingers, then you can watch the cursor again. It is moving. Now that I want to open this one, so I will double click anywhere, it will be open. Now I have to do it down. So guys, we cannot do it down, we have to do it from the mouse one. Guys, it's amazing. You won't believe we can do from here also, from our laptop and also from our phone. See guys, I can take it here. Like I want to open, let's view. I will click here, double time. I can click anywhere. Yes guys, see, Redmi Note 5 Pro it have came, and I can also zoom at the screen. See, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Guys, it's very useful. And we can also do things. If I want to not close it, now I can do I can also do recording. First you have to do disconnect from here, then we have to click on phone screen mirroring, then we will start the process. Here we can do recording from here. Hello everyone, now recording is done, so we can click on here. When the recording is open folder, it will be 7 where your folder is like this. We can take this one that I have made. That is black, it will be, but it will record everything. See guys, it's amazing. I will say you can also do it. It is free of cost and no viruses will come in your laptop or your phone while doing this process. I will repeat again. First we have to download our app from on PC and laptop. Our Wi-Fi connection should be same. Then when we will first we have to sign in the laptop. Then when we will open the app on our phone, this will come. I will disconnect. I will show you like this, if you can see. Now this option will come if the app is open on laptop, and this here is the my PC, so I can click on it. Now there are two options: phone screen mirroring, laptop computer screen mirroring. I will do one time computer screen mirroring. See here, message have came. I will do allow. See guys, now it's same. Now I can do anything. See guys, I am doing it from here. You can see the cursor one time, and then my fingers. We can also do drawing also. See guys, I will tell you. See guys, this is a arrow here. We have to click on it. It have came. Then we will click on the paintbrush. Here it was. Then we can take our color also. I will take green color. Then I can only draw anything that I want. Like I can also draw a star. I am not good at drawing. And I can also remove it easily like this. I will draw things. Then see, I have drawn it. So when I will do, here is a option of exit. Where is that? Here. I can click on it. The paintbrush will be gone. So guys, and now we have to do phone screen mirroring. So we will do the same process. We will go, then doing that we will go to phone screen mirroring. Then we will start it. Now we can view our phone. Now see guys, it's so fast. We can do anything that we want. So this is only for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, so please like and subscribe the video and subscribe the channel. Bye.